Unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) are aircraft that operate without on-board crew or passenger. They can function as automated drones or be controlled remotely as piloted vehicles. Originally developed for military reconnaissance and combat operations since World War One, the rapid technological advances have enabled the evolution of drones towards diverse civilian and commercial applications. Drones are now providing innovative solutions for sectors like agriculture, infrastructure, transportation, and disaster response. India too aims to become a drone superpower, making and using drones for social and economic development. Types of UAVs. Depending on the specific application or problem at hand, different types of drones can be utilized based on rotors. Multi-rotor UAVs, ideal for tasks like crop inspection, have more than two rotors, allow efficient lift generation by adjusting rotor speeds. Single rotor UAVs, they resemble helicopters in both design and structure, have a longer flight time and can hover in place for aerial imaging and precision spraying. They are usually powered by gas engines. Fixed wing UAVs. They are like normal aircraft and do not require as much energy to stay in the air because they cannot hover in one place, fly for longer periods, and capture images across a large area of the field. Fixed wing multi-rotor hybrid UAVs. They are a hybridization of fixed wing and multi-rotor UAVs ability to not only perform the vertical takeoff and land but also to perform it has a longer flight time and can stay in the air much longer. Flexible membrane wing UAVs. These can perform the targeted flight in severe and windy conditions. These UAVs are made up of flexible membrane wings. They can carry a larger load, easy storage capacity, better control and maneuverability. Types based on altitude. Low altitude deep penetration (LDP), altitude 0.5 to 1 kilometer, endurance can fly for approximately 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Purpose suitable for missions requiring low altitude, long range, and high space penetration. Examples UAV model X1, UAV model Y2, medium altitude, long endurance MALE UAVs, altitude 3 km to 9 km, endurance can fly for more than 24 hours. Purpose primarily used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions. Example Predators MQ-9 Reaper, high altitude long endurance HALE UAVs, altitude above 15 to 20 kilometers, endurance can fly for more than 24 hours continuously. Purpose primarily used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and communication tasks for long duration missions. Example Global Hawk RQ-4 Global Hawk. Types based on size. Micro and nano UAVs, range less than 10 km, low altitude and for less time, less than 1 hour. Weight nano up to 250 gram, micro 250 gram to 2 kg. Purpose intelligence gathering but less as military drones due to lack of AI and machine learning ability. In the fleet of swarm drones very dangerous as there are currently no effective countermeasures etc. Example AeroVironment Nano, Hummingbird, D-Fly MVE etc. Small UAVs, size between 2 to 4 meters in length, weight typically between 25 to 150 kg, purpose versatile for various applications including aerial photography, mapping and monitoring. Examples DJI Phantom series, Sensefly EB. Medium UAVs, size between 4 to 6 meter in length, weight ranges from 150 to 600 kg, purpose capable of carrying heavier payloads for longer endurance missions. Example General Atomics MQ-1 Predator, Elbit Hermes 900. Large UAVs, size more than 6 meters in length, weight exceeding 600 kg, purpose designed for long endurance missions with heavy payloads such as military surveillance or cargo transport. Example Northrop Grumman RQ-4 Global Hawk, General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper. Properties of unmanned aerial vehicles. Unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) possess diverse properties such as autonomous operation, hovering, vertical landing in some types, multiple power sources, and payload versatility, enabling wide-ranging civilian and military applications. Vertical landing capability. Not all UAVs can perform vertical landings. This capability is specific to certain types, such as rotary wing drones, example quadcopters, helicopters, and VTOL vertical takeoff and landing drones. Fixed wing UAVs typically require runways for takeoff and landing. and cannot perform vertical landings. Automated hovering. Only rotary wing UAVs like quadcopters and helicopters can hover in place. Fixed wing UAVs are designed for forward flights and cannot hover. Power sources. UAV utilizes various power sources while many smaller drones rely on batteries. Others use gasoline engines, hybrid systems, or alternative energy sources like fuel cells and solar power. Autonomous operation. Modern UAVs often feature autonomous capabilities including GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance, and automated flight paths, reducing the need for constant human control. Payload versatility. UAVs can carry a variety of payloads such as cameras, sensors, or delivery packages, making them versatile tools for applications ranging from applications of drone technology. Drones nowadays have applications for both military and civil purposes. Some of these applications are described below. Military applications. Military drones can change the nature of warfare, making it more economical, precise, and efficient. This was observed in the Ukraine Russia conflict. They can perform tasks such as surveillance and reconnaissance. These drones can conduct surveillance missions by hovering over an area for an extended period. They provide real-time information on targets, positions, terrain, and enemy movements. The Israeli-made Heron drones used by Indian Army can loiter for over 24 hours, facilitating strategic monitoring of sensitive areas. Drones like the Nissan UAV used by the Indian Army and the MQ-1 Predator UAV used by the United States provide real-time information on targets and terrain. Unmanned combat aerial vehicle. These are the UAVs that are designed for combat operations such as air-to-air and air-to-ground attacks. They can carry weapons such as missiles, bombs, and guns. Example: Sahez 129 Iran, Ghatak upcoming Indian UCAV, USAF Hunter Killer USA, etc. Swarm drones. Swarm drones are a fleet of UAVs that work together to achieve a specific goal. Examples used by Israeli Defense Force in Gaza and by Houthi rebels against Saudi Arabia's Aramco installations. Kamikaze drones. These are drones that are loaded with explosives and crash into their targets, causing damage and destruction. They are also known as loitering munitions or suicide drones. Examples use of kamikaze drones in the Ukraine-Russia conflict. Civil applications. UAVs are also used for non-military purposes such as aerial surveying and mapping. Fixed-wing UAVs like the Daksh Indian multi-purpose drone offer high-resolution area imaging of 40% lower cost than satellite mapping for agriculture, disaster management, mining, forestry, and urban planning. For instance, the Odisha government conducted drone surveys of Puri's destruction following Cyclone Fani. Law enforcement and crowd management. Drones can be deployed for crowd monitoring and crime scene analysis as a means of smart policing as used by the Mumbai Police. Medical and healthcare. Drones facilitate contact-led delivery of medicines, vaccines, blood samples, and organs in remote areas where road connectivity is limited. India's Medicine from the Sky projects in Telangana and Arunachal Pradesh use drones to improve access and deliver medicines to primary healthcare facilities. Agriculture. Agricultural drones equipped with multispectral sensors are revolutionizing farming by mapping soil and crop health at high resolution. Trials by Mahindra Agri Solutions and Marut drones increased yield and lowered cultivation cost for smallholder farmers in Punjab and Karnataka, highlighting drones' productivity potential. Environment. Drones can significantly contribute to environmental conservation. For instance, drones have been used for data collection in the Panna Tiger Reserve and Kaziranga Forest, aiding in wildlife tracking and poaching prevention. Challenges of drone technology. As an emerging technology, drones bring forth a series of growing challenges that demand holistic solutions. Privacy. Drones have high-resolution cameras that capture images and videos from great heights and can invade personal spaces and record without consent. Ethical concerns. Drone application in conflict zones provide tactical advantages including precise strikes and reduce risk to military personnel. This trend leads to discussion concerning the ethics of remote warfare when humans do not directly engage in battle. Environmental impact. Drones, especially fossil fuel powered ones, contribute to carbon emissions and worsen climate change. Airspace issues. Since drones occupy airspace with many able to reach heights rivaling Those of jet concerns have been raised about drones causing disaster and emergencies, legal and regulatory. The advancement of drone technology had surpassed the development of legal and regulatory frameworks. Governments claim that targeted killings by drones are justified under international law. The absence of clear guidelines raises questions about accountability and transparency. Drone in India. India's journey with UAVs began with the acquisition of the Israeli Searcher Mark I in 1998. Most of the UAVs of the Indian Armed Forces are procured from Israel and the USA. The drone market in India reached 29 billion rupee, $370 million in 2020 and is estimated to grow to rupee 1.5 trillion, $19 billion by 2026. Initiatives in India. India aims to become a drone superpower by 2030 with a focus on indigenous development and manufacturing. The Indian government has launched several initiatives in this direction. Make in India initiatives. It encourages domestic manufacturing and investment in the drone sector within the broader context of promoting indigenous manufacturing. Production linked incentive scheme provides financial aid to Indian drone manufacturers and covers drone related software aiming to boost domestic production. Drone Amendment Rule 2022. These simplified regulations and licensing requirements for drone operations, reducing the number of permits and approvals. Due to new rules, the Remote Pilot Certificate license will not be required from the Director General of Civil Aviation for flying micro and nano drones in India for non-commercial purposes. All other drone activities are permitted only after receiving the prior approvals. Digital Sky Platform. It enables online application for licensing to fly, manufacture and other activities and provides information on drones. Standard Operating Procedure (SOP) for agricultural drones. These SOPs guide the safe and effective use of agricultural drones, ensuring that they are used in compliance with regulations and best practices. Private investment and startups. Drone Shakti scheme promotes drone technology and application in India, encouraging startups to offer drone services. Indigenous drones. India has made significant progress in developing indigenous drones. Here are some examples. DRDO Abhyas ADE Bangalore, a cost-effective supersonic missile demonstrator developed by DRDO for training purposes. DRDO Ghatak ADE Bangalore, a lightweight missile designed to target and destroy enemy tanks. It is also called SWIFT. HAL CATS, HAL and New Space R&D, a cooperative flight testbed developed by HAL and New Space R&D for demonstrating avionics technology. Rustom 1 and 2 ADE Bangalore, an indigenously developed UCAV for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Tapas BS-201 ADE Bangalore, a multi-role light combat helicopter for various military operations. DRDO Imperial Eagle, DRDO's ADE and CSIR's National Aerospace Laboratory, an advanced trainer jet for training pilots. DRDO Lakshya ADE Bangalore, a subsonic cruise missile for long-range strikes. DRDO Netra, R&DE and Idea Forge, and AEW and CS for surveillance, tracking, identification and classification of airborne and sea surface targets. DRDO Nissan, a tactical UAV for surveillance and reconnaissance operations. Golden Hawk, a basic trainer aircraft for training pilots. NAL ADE Pushpak, a utility transport aircraft for various transport operations.